Hi, my name is Joanna Rodriguez, and I'm currently studying the graduate program for biotechnology here at William Paterson University. I was looking around universities and master's programs, and I saw that William Paterson was actually the most affordable, but also the atmosphere, because I did visit before I decided to come here. And I saw how beautiful everything was, and I came in the fall, so like all the trees are nice and colorful, and I just love the atmosphere. What I value most is like the professors and how much they care about their students, because every professor I've had, they want you to do so well, and they like encourage you to ask questions and to email them, and they're always available and they always reply. Everybody here is so nice and they just want to see you do your best. I definitely think that me being here in person kind of encourages me to actually try my hardest. Having to actually drive here and do hands-on laboratory work, I find it encourages me to want to learn more. I could just be like, hey professor, how do I do this? And then he'll actually show me hands-on how to do what I need help with. I have found that there are a lot of internships and assistantships. Once you're in the program, you start to get emails from the director of, it's always, oh, there's a new internship coming up. If you're interested, email this number, or there's a new job opportunity. And there's a lot of collaborations with biotech companies and this university. Once I get the master's degree in biotech, I will be able to become a lab supervisor. The biotech program is such an amazing, phenomenal hands-on experience for climbing the biology, biotechnology, or science ladder.